Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a budget with Chase Freedom step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Chase online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the budget section on the dashboard. Review your spending categories, which are typically broken down into expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining. Select the categories you want to include in your budget. Set a target amount for each category based on your financial goals. Consider reviewing your past spending habits to help determine these amounts. After you've assigned target amounts, confirm your selections. Chase will then generate a visual overview of your budget. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. Next, add any upcoming expenses or planned purchases to your budget. This can help provide a clearer picture of your future financial commitments. Once you've adjusted your budget, set reminders to check in regularly. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Pay attention to alerts that notify you if you're nearing your budget limits. Use these alerts as a guide to adjust your spending as needed. As you monitor your progress, celebrate small milestones along the way. This will motivate you to stay committed to your budgeting goals. You can also utilize Chase's mobile app to access your budget on the go. With the app, you can easily track your daily spending in real time. Adjust your budget as your financial situation or needs change. Building a budget with Chase Freedom is designed to empower your financial journey. Stick with it, and you'll develop stronger budgeting habits over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.